In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a recovery code in your Shopify account. Recovery codes are important because they help you regain access to your account if you ever lose access to your two-step authentication device. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click on your store name or profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Account. This will open your Shopify account settings where you can manage your login and security options. Next, find and click on the Security tab. This section contains all your account protection settings, including two-step authentication. If two-step authentication is not already enabled, click Turn on two-step authentication. Shopify will guide you through the setup process. Choose your preferred authentication method, such as an authenticator app on your phone. Shopify will display a QR code on the screen. Open your authenticator app and scan the QR code. After scanning the code, your app will generate a verification code. Enter the verification code into Shopify and continue with the setup. Once two-step authentication is successfully enabled, Shopify will provide you with recovery codes. These codes can be used to access your account if you lose your phone or cannot receive authentication codes. Make sure to download, copy, or securely store the recovery codes somewhere safe and private. It's a good idea to keep them in a password manager or another secure location. Finally, click Finish or Turn on to complete the setup process. And that's it. You now have recovery codes enabled for your Shopify account, adding an extra layer of security and backup access if you ever need it. Thanks for watching and stay secure.